What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. All-time highs, baby. New all-time highs. Who is excited? I don't want to do the pump it up dance just yet, guys. And the reason that is because our altcoins are still yet to print highs. Does it make sense to be doing the pump it up dance when ICPZ is at $5.46? To be honest, no, it doesn't. But if this video gets 200 likes, then I'll do it. I'll do it, guys. You guys got to run up the like button. And yesterday I posted a video like 2 a.m. Well, 10 hours ago. And immediately it got hit with 80 bot comments. So please go and sort out the bots, guys. I need some real comments in the comment section. But they did convince us. No alt season. And that's what we needed to happen. We've been saying this for months. No alt season, or alt season will happen when the majority of people are coming into the market and expecting no alt season, and it's all over. I wanted to show you this. We're going to look into the charts. I'm only going to show you a few things on Twitter today because we're not going to waste too much time. You guys want to see the charts, the important areas that we all need to have ticked off on our trading view. But remember the FUD, guys. Anyone remember the FUD? Bitcoin doesn't care about war FUD, doesn't care about any FUD. If you believe in WW3, then you should definitely hold Bitcoin, not the other way around. This was on the 23rd of June. We skip 3 weeks later, and Bitcoin has forgot about all of the FUD. And when we do go back to the FUD, guys, isn't it crazy? Like I posted the arrows like exactly when it was peak FUD, and the last peak FUD was right here at the low at 98k. Okay, that was when everyone was saying it's all over. And since then, I mean, that would have been a great buying opportunity, guys, because Bitcoin is up 20% since then. Altcoins doing much better. But that's why you got to change the psychology, guys. Probably around here, up here somewhere. Super cycle, never down again, right? But we all know that is not the case. Again, some old charts for us to look at. We made this chart, I think it was maybe about a month ago or something, and we said we were in the timing window now for the last phase of the market. Probably should finish by November. I was expecting like 150k top for this range with diminishing returns each cycle. Let me go to the weekly so you guys can visualize that a little bit better. But I mean, was it really this simple every single time, guys? Right? We break the all-time high, have a retest, and then go for new all-time highs, right? I think it was that simple. Now we're at 117k. Retail are panicking because they got sidelined or because they panic sold their positions. Meanwhile, you guys stay based, okay? You guys, you're not cooked like the rest of these guys that have been panicking over the past week. I know the majority of you guys, you are chilling, okay? You're like me. You see the bigger picture. You follow the data. You don't follow the comment section, which is mostly emotional. You guys know who you are. Supply held by Dolphin, which is 1k to 5k ICP. We are climbing, guys. Remember, I'm a Dolphin with some of you guys as well. And when we do check out the ICP chart, do you remember in our last video about 4 days ago, we said we most likely are at a bottom, guys, because we could have formed some sort of triple bottom. Okay, go back and watch that video. On the regular chart, we've confirmed the breakout. If we go to the log chart, which a lot more people like to use, looks like we had a breakout, retest, and we're actually going again. So the big area of resistance is going to be like this zone here, right? We've had 3 rejections so far. So when we get up to about $6, it's going to be high alert time, guys. It's not going to be, you know, panic. This is going to be, make sure you're not over leveraging yourself, because we've got this zone here of resistance, but then we've got massive order blocks between $6.60 and $7.70, guys. Okay, then $10, then we're breaking those previous range highs, go into this cycle's all-time high, which is only $20, but again, nearly a 10x from the lows, and then we can go into real price discovery after that, and we can see where the order blocks do start to fill up, guys. But something that all of you should be keeping your eye on is the others and the total 3. Start on others because ICP is not a top 10 crypto right now. The others looks like it is breaking out on the log scale. Maybe some of you guys are going to say, well, no, actually the trend starts all the way over here. It doesn't take into account this at 430 billion, and if that is true, then maybe we have broken out. We just need some candle closes outside of this to confirm. Again, you're seeing the order block. We've got a bigger, larger order block here, and then 1, 2, 3 stacked inside it as well. So again, going to be 270 to 290, 300 billion, which is going to be a big area of resistance for others. If we can break through this and we cut through it like a knife, that is going to be fantastic. Something that all of you guys are waiting for right now is altcoin season, and you're looking for the Bitcoin dominance drop. Something for all of us to just take a little chill pill with is the fact that 1 to buy order blocks between 63% and 64%. We're actually coming up to this buy order block, so we need to like really pierce through both of these and take out this low at 62% to then change character in Bitcoin dominance. So if we don't break below 62%, this could just be a retest of this wick, and then we go higher again for Bitcoin. Okay, but remember this green box, very similar to the Bitcoin boxes we were looking at. We've now entered the timing window from historically where altcoin season does start, guys. Okay, so it doesn't have to go straight down in a line, guys, but we must be prepared now that there could be some capital rotation going into things like altcoins, going into your top 10 altcoins like Ethereum, some other big ones as well, guys. Maybe some narrative plays as well if there are any like ETF narratives that come out. But we're in the timing window. We need to break 62%, and ideally we'd like to be selling at this order block down here at around 51%. This, in my opinion, would signal the end of the altcoin season. And again, if it just drops down over the next couple of months, it would make sense, because that's what's happened every other time, right? It's only taken what, 1, 2, 3 months ish, 4 months for altcoin seasons to finish. We're not going to take into account 2017, but if we do say the last altcoin season, 3 to 4 months max, and that's max euphoria. Everyone's going to be, max long in altcoins down here. So something for us to bear in mind. We'll keep an eye on this chart as well. Then just remember, we had our accumulation zone. So we did say we're not going to buy any ICP higher than this. And I'm actually going to change it once more, because we don't want to be buying above this sell order block, guys. This sell order block, when it gets pierced, this should be where we're actually getting a lot of profits and taking profits out of the market. So we're still in that accumulation one. Don't look back at this time and say, oh my god, why didn't I buy ICP? Again, not financial advice. You guys can do whatever the hell you want. You don't have to buy any altcoin. You can just sit on the sides and watch. But in this accumulation one, to be honest, I'm not getting a price higher than $5.84. I've pretty much stacked up my ICP bag at this point as well, guys. Like all my altcoins are stacked up, just so you guys know where I stand in the market. I don't really need to deploy any more capital. But again, once we do break these order blocks here, boom, gonna be fireworks. Probably gonna be double digit ICP again. Who remembers double digit ICP? Let me know in the comments. And then we got the sell zone, approximately 12 billion, 24 billion, 36 billion above us as well for our conservative targets to blow off top targets, guys. So you guys let me know where you stand with the altcoin markets. Are you happy? Are you ready for the pump it up dance? If you want it, 200 likes on the video, leave me some comments as well, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.